Navigating ISF Compliance. Electronics and Tech Imports. Welcome to another episode of our Customs Brokerage 101 series. In today's video, we will be discussing ISF compliance specifically for electronics and technology products. As technology continues to advance, the importation of electronics and technology products plays a significant role in international trade. Understanding ISF compliance for these products is crucial for importers and customs brokers. So, let's delve into the topic. When it comes to ISF compliance for electronics and technology products, several key considerations come into play. Let's explore these considerations in more detail. Accurate product descriptions. Providing accurate product descriptions is essential for ISF compliance. Electronics and technology products often have specific details that need to be accurately described in the ISF filing. This includes information such as the brand, model, specifications, functions, and any unique features of the product. Accurate product descriptions help customs authorities assess the admissibility and tariff classification of the goods. Harmonized System, HS, code classification. Assigning the correct Harmonized System, HS, code is crucial for ISF compliance. HS codes are used to classify products for customs purposes. Importers of electronics and technology products must carefully classify the goods based on their characteristics and functions. Accurate HS code classification ensures the proper assessment of duties, taxes, and fees by customs authorities. Intellectual property rights, IPR, protection. Importers of electronics and technology products need to consider intellectual property rights, IPR, protection. This includes ensuring that the imported goods do not infringe upon any patents, trademarks, or copyrights. It is crucial to verify the legitimacy of the products, adhere to licensing agreements, and provide any necessary documentation to demonstrate compliance with IPR regulations. Regulatory compliance. Electronics and technology products often need to meet specific regulatory requirements. This can include compliance with safety standards, electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, regulations, and product certifications. Importers should ensure that the goods meet all applicable regulatory requirements of the country of importation and provide any necessary certificates or test reports as part of ISF compliance. Customs valuation. Accurate customs valuation is essential for ISF compliance. The value declared for electronics and technology products should reflect the transaction price, including the cost of the goods, freight charges, insurance, and any other related expenses. Importers must ensure that customs valuation is done correctly to determine the accurate assessment of customs duties and taxes. Export control compliance. Importing certain electronics and technology products may be subject to export control regulations. These regulations aim to prevent the unauthorized export of sensitive technology that could pose a risk to national security or violate international trade agreements. Importers must ensure compliance with any applicable export control requirements and provide the necessary documentation for ISF filing. Restricted or prohibited goods. Importers need to be aware of any restricted or prohibited electronics and technology products. Certain goods, such as military-grade encryption software, weapons technology, or embargoed items, may be subject to specific restrictions or even prohibited from importation. Importers should review the restricted or prohibited goods list of the country of importation to ensure compliance with ISF requirements. Advanced Electronic Information, AEI. Providing advanced electronic information, AEI, is critical for ISF compliance. The AEI includes detailed information about the cargo, such as the contents, value, and parties involved in the transaction. Importers must ensure that accurate and complete AEI is transmitted to customs authorities in a timely manner, enabling them to assess the risk associated with the imported electronics and technology products. Packaging and labeling. Electronics and technology products often have packaging and labeling requirements. These requirements can include language-specific labeling, product information, safety warnings, or specific packaging standards. Importers must ensure that the packaging and labeling of the goods comply with the regulations of the country of importation to meet ISF compliance requirements. Environmental regulations. Electronics and technology products may be subject to specific environmental regulations. These regulations aim to address the proper disposal of hazardous materials, restrictions on certain substances, or requirements for eco-friendly design and energy efficiency. Importers must ensure compliance with environmental regulation and provide any necessary documentation as part of ISF compliance. Importer Security Filing (ISF) Timelines. Importers of electronics and technology products must adhere to the ISF filing timelines. The ISF must be filed no later than 24 hours before the cargo is loaded onto the vessel departing for the United States. Importers should work closely with customs brokers to meet these timelines and avoid penalties or delays in customs clearance. Supply chain security. Maintaining supply chain security is crucial for ISF compliance. Importers should implement appropriate security measures to protect the integrity of the supply chain, prevent unauthorized access, and mitigate the risk of theft or tampering. Collaborating with trusted logistics providers, implementing tracking systems, and conducting regular security assessments contribute to ensuring supply chain security for electronics and technology products. That concludes our discussion on ISF compliance for electronics and technology products. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Join us in our upcoming videos as we continue to explore various aspects of customs brokerage and international trade. Thank you for watching and see you next time.